di akhir 2018 berhasil membawa Eleven untuk ke Australia untuk sebagai belajar benchmark dari startup yang ada di Australia.
Ya, Eleven ini yang saya tahu dari awal saya menjadi followers di Instagram Eleven ini sebagai sarana untuk kita lebih interaktif lagi dalam berbahasa Inggris, lebih kritis lagi, sangat berbeda dengan program atau akun IG Instagram yang lain yang pernah saya follow, karena di sini saya lebih memfokuskan untuk memperbaiki pronunciation.
So thank you so much for that, and I'm so excited of being here. Finally meet some of you that have followed Eleven. Jadi aku malah selalu bilang ke student atau ke pesertaku kalau ini bukan, this is not a one-way seminar, so this should be an active, highly participative.
Enter.
Yeah, a place.
So it means any company that you are currently in, what does it provide?
Works Indonesia provides the IT financial solution for the banking institution.
With affordable price to a million of users, called Sept.
Okay, I call it fashion products.
Yeah.
Okay. Jadi nggak usah terlalu panjang, mungkin education and tadi kan ini ya pelatihannya.
The colleges.
Actually,
Colleges is one day they will employee and it's also a good start to make experience.
What about you?
Teaching quality.
Fun the startup from the earliest stage,
Yeah.
that like such an idea stage. Yeah, he the one who firstly believed to the team.
Yeah.
Share like you're sharing good news.
Yeah.
Photo.
This is for you. Gift card. Gift card.
Yeah, I learned a lot in here, especially when you talk with your friends and how you express yourself in front of people.
There's a games and also teaching practice.
Start to break enough to speak in English. Fun.
Fun. Refreshing and nice. Adorable.
So you should come and try it.